Hi, I'm Neil from UAV Drone Solutions, and today I'm in Bishop Stortford to do a topographical survey of this 50-acre site. This area will soon become an amazing community sports hub for the town. I'll be using this DJI drone and the Rock R2A LiDAR. I've already placed my ground control points. These will ensure that the data I collect today will be of survey quality. There are many reasons to use drone-based LiDAR for surveying, including speed, cost and accuracy. But today's project is a good example of a lesser known advantage, which is LiDAR's ability to see through dense vegetation. These fields are currently covered in crops. However, when we get the data processed later, we'll see an accurate representation of the ground beneath. LiDAR measures hundreds of points per square metre, so our client is going to get an unparalleled topographical view of these fields. Okay, we're now about to start the survey. I'll catch up with you later when I process the data.